Okay, I'm going to give you the plain truth. You have to make money. Does that make sense? In order to make money, you have to make something else. This is critical, so I am going to give you my formula for success. First, you must make your own products. This is the only way to really meet your subscribers' needs. You need a list of subscribers, and you need to interact with them so you know their challenges and problems, and where they are getting stuck. Then you need to make products to fulfill their needs. Second, you must make friends on the internet. Offer your help to a big-name marketer. Become his friend. In time, he will promote you. The internet is all about relationships. You've got to make friends. Third, you need to make your own high-ticket program. This needs to be designed to get results. I mean results for your clients. Take a normal product you've made, one that you know works, is popular, and gets results. Okay, now add a coaching element to that same training. Offer open email access so your clients can ask you questions. You've got to make a high-ticket program to get real money.